I wanna be a billionaire, so freaking bad. Buy all of the things I never had. I wanna be on the cover of.
Hey, I have a good news.
What is it?
Look.
For what?
For a party. I think you will be happy.
Do you think I will be happy with that? Do you want me to get embarrassed?
No, what's the problem?
I don't have proper dress to wear.
Dress?
Yeah,
How much is your cost?
400 francs.
200 francs? But I'm
Yeah.
only got 350 francs.
If you don't want 400 francs, then 450 francs.
Oh. Here's the 400 francs.
Thank you.
Who is it?
Myself.
Mr. What? Wait, I'll open it. Hey, so what are you doing here?
Can I ask you a favor?
What favor?
I can help you. Can I borrow some jewelry?
I'm sure, why not? What do you need?
Anything that will fit in my dress.
Okay. Nani, can you get my jewelry back? Yeah. So, you can choose whatever you want.
My God, it's so beautiful. Can I borrow this?
Yeah, sure. I think that would fit in your dress perfect.
Oh my God, this is amazing.
You can also.
I think there's something wrong.
But why? You just fit many jewelry. I think that's enough.
Do you have anything that can do?
Okay, wait a minute. This. Wait. I think this is the one you need.
My goodness, I love it. I love it. Can I borrow this one?
Yes, you can. But please make sure to return it after.
Thank you.
Yes, welcome.
Oh my God, you're so beautiful. Hindi ba lang pwede yung ano?
Go.
God, where's my necklace? You see my necklace? My God, where's my necklace?
I will find it.
Good morning, sir.
Oh, where's the necklace?
Here,
How much is that?
36,000 francs just for you.
Wait, get someone. Here's the money.
Here.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Morning, sir. What can I do for you? I'm here to borrow money. Oh, wait. Here you go, sir. Oh, thank you.
Come in. How are you?
Hi. This is your necklace.
Oh, did you enjoy your picnic? Hello.
Jean!
Wait, I'll call you later. Did you just call my name?
Yes,
But I don't know you.
it's me,
Who are you?
your friend.
Friend.
Yes,
What's your name?
Mathilde.
Mathilde! Oh my gosh, are you serious? What happened to you?
I need to tell you something.
What?
10 years ago, I lost the necklace that I borrowed.
But you already returned that to me.
My husband and I bought a new one to replace yours.
What? How much does it cost?
36,000 francs.
Oh my god, 36,000 francs?
Yes.
Are you serious?
Yes!
But mine was only a fake. It only cost 500 francs.
Wanna be a billionaire, so freaking bad. Tired of the things I never had. I wanna be on the cover of Forbes magazine, smiling next to Oprah and the Queen. Oh, every time I close my eyes, I see my name in shining lights. Yeah, a different city every night. Oh, I swear the world better prepare for another millionaire. Yeah, I'm never so like Oprah. I will be the host of everyday Christmas. You got your wish list. I probably will land in the same practice. And the top of my skin